Hey guys, it's your girl BBW, Sweet and Sexy. Welcome to Vlogmas 12/5/2016. Okay, and on today I am making some buffalo pizza. Is that how they call it? Buffalo wing pizza? Some kind of way they call that. Okay, it'll be in the title. So what I have here is some chicken breast that I'm going to cut up. To that, I'm going to be putting some onion powder, garlic powder, some crushed red peppers, some Frank's red hot sauce. Sorry about the noise. Some sea salt, and I'm going to fry this up in the pan with a little oil, and I'll let you guys see as I go. Okay guys, I have now cut the chicken up in little strips to go on the buffalo pizza. Some are smaller than others, and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like while it's cooking in the pan. Okay guys, I have the chicken breast in the pan with the seasonings on it, and I forgot to tell you guys that I was going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning to it. Okay, so I'm getting ready to add some oil to the pan, put it on the stove, and let this cook up, and then I will show you guys as I add the butter and the hot sauce to it. Okay, that'll be the next step. Okay, here's the buffalo pizza. The chicken breast meat. Turn it around. Okay guys, and now I'm getting ready to put the pizza crust in the oven. And we're going to bake this for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then I will show you the next step. Okay, now of course I got my helper here. So she browned up the chicken breast, and we added the little pats of butter and the Frank's hot sauce. We're going to stir that around. Our pizza crust is out of the oven. We left it in for 8 minutes instead of 5. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, and now my niece is getting ready to add the blue cheese. You add the blue cheese on the dough. Okay, and then we're going to smear that around, and then we're going to add this on top along with the cheeses, and we'll be back to show you it before it goes into the oven. Okay, and this is the blue cheese with the chicken breast on it, and now my niece is going to start putting her cheeses on there. And you guys, you can put on the whatever amount of cheese you want. This is some mild cheddar, and she also has mozzarella. Okay, so this is some mild cheddar that she got on it. And now some mozzarella. And put as much cheese as you want. If you're a cheese lover, do your thing. Okay, and now in the oven this will go, and we'll be back to show you it all done up. Okay guys, this is the buffalo wing pizza. My niece just told me is the name of it, and it is out the oven. She did add a little bit extra cheddar cheese, and now she's getting ready to cut herself a piece. Sorry. Get a spatula? Oh, no. Whoa. And that's the pizza. Ooh, all ooey gooey. Hope you guys enjoy. Yum. Okay guys, this is the buffalo chicken wing pizza.
buffalo chicken wing, however you want to say it, wherever you live. I guess it's different. But anyway, thank you guys for watching my vlog on today. And don't forget, I believe. Do you?